Welcome to a brief explanation of the document management feature within ITM Platform. This video is applicable to portfolio managers, project managers, and team members. In this video, we will explain the purpose of the document management feature and how to use it. This feature allows companies to input project management documents. ITM Platform's layout provides you with organization and ease of access when dealing with document management. You can manage documents under multiple entities, which allows you to access and add any document nearly immediately. As an example of this feature, we will look at a demo project. To find your project documents, go to the Management category where Projects is listed. When you arrive at the Projects page, you will see a list of all your current projects. For the sake of this video, we will click on the project titled New Product Line, but this is applicable to every project you have. You'll notice that one of the tabs across the top is called Documents. In this tab, you will find every document associated with this project. In addition to the Documents section, you can also add and find documents in other tabs. Although the Documents tab has every document associated with a project, the documents found under the other tabs will be specific to those areas. To access specific documents within other tabs, click on the tab you want and go to the Documents section within that tab. You will also see that on the Documents page, you have the option to filter your document list. If you look at the actual lists of documents below the filter options, you will see different column names along the top of it and a grid icon above the left side of the list, which will allow you to customize what columns are presented. You also have the option to export your document list to Microsoft Excel if that is. Nearly every entity in ITM Platform will have an Add a New Document option. If you click on Add a New Document, you'll see that you are required to give each document you upload a name. There are two ways you can add a document. You can either drag and drop a file from your computer, or choose a file to upload by clicking on Choose File. Additionally, if you would like to add an external or internal document management system, you have the option to set a URL. Once you've uploaded your document or set a URL, you can create a description of the file and choose whether or not this document will be visible by project guests. When it comes to file sizes, each individual company has the ability to choose a max file size. To change the file size, go to Configuration and click on the drop-down menu for Organization. Click on Company Settings, and under the section titled General Company Information, you will find the option to change your max file size uploaded. This concludes the brief overview of the document management feature. This video demonstrated the purpose of the document management feature and how it works throughout different sections of ITM Platform, including how to locate documents, add documents, and customize document settings within configurations. If you would like to know more about the features of ITM Platform, please check out our other videos, email support@itmplatform.com, or request a demo directly through our website. Thank you very much for listening.